Hey guys, and today I'm doing a new video and I'm gonna be doing me and my fortune cookie eating. And I'm gonna eat these little fortune cookies and I hope I get good fortunes inside. So let's get started with my fortune cookie eating. Let's see what's inside here. This is gonna be good. I hope this is gonna be a good fortune. So I'm gonna do some eating sounds. And I hope I relax you. So do you want to see the fortune cookie or do you want to see the fortune inside? I think you want me to open the fortune first because I'm gonna see if I can. A secret admirer will soon send you a sign of affection. I hope I read that right. Focus. Okay. Now it's clear. So I hope you can see that. Good. Now you can see this, and I think this is a good. Yeah, it's a good fortune. So now I'm gonna be eating my fortune cookie. I really like these fortune cookies because they taste like sugar, and I really like eating sounds because they really relax me, and I hope they relax you too. Sorry I'm not focusing on the camera, I'm not really used to that. Okay, now I'm doing it. Always get a napkin to clean your mouth. That is being polite. Second cookie. I like the color gold. It's so shiny and I love to collect gold. When I grow up, I want to collect gold. My fortune cookie. Ooh. This is so shiny. Right here. It's really shiny. See what's inside here. I hope this is gonna be really, really, really good. Ooh, fortune. How do I get this thing out of here? It's stick to the fortune cookie. And I can't get it off, so I have to. Ooh, I got it. Let's see what this says. Right here. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Okay, this is kind of weird because you have to start to get ahead. So this is not really a fortune. It's so weird. This is like tape. You know what I just said? I said, help me, I'm stuck. So let's get on with the video of me eating fortune cookies. This relaxes me so much. Remember, always use a napkin. This tastes so good. That's my favorite part. What's that called? It's like, sounds really like good. I don't know why, but it just really relaxes me. Tell me if that's too bright. So these are the two fortunes I got. This one and this one.